Hi boys and girls, welcome to Read Aloud. So today we're going to read another section and we're going to continue doing the same type of work we've been doing. I really want you to think about a good chapter heading for this section because we've been learning how to make some chapter headings based on the information we're learning. So let's get started. There are about 350 kinds of sharks, which seems like a lot until you learn that there are more than 20,000 kinds of bony fish. Wow. Researchers know that there are other kinds of sharks not yet discovered. So this section just taught me, so I want to jot that down because I feel like that's important. Paragraph 1. In paragraph 1, I am learning that there are many different kinds of sharks, which is not a lot compared to the number of fish in the ocean, right? That's that. Now let's continue to read. Sharks come in many different sizes, shapes, and colors. So now we're learning that sharks come in different sizes, shapes, and colors. A full-grown dwarf shark is as small as your mom's hand. And a whale shark is longer than a school bus. Wow, so here the author is comparing the size of the shark to like what we know in real life. The length, I should say. Most sharks have slender, torpedo-shaped bodies and long, pointed snouts. Slender means very slim. But some sharks have short, broad means wide snouts and tails. And others have very flat bodies and fins. There are brown sharks and blue sharks and sharks with polka dots like this cat shark. So now I'm noting that this type of shark is called a cat shark. So let me label that. The photograph is showing a picture of a cat shark. Okay? And I'm going to connect the information that I learned here to the photo. There are brown sharks, sharks with polka dots, like this cat shark. And I'm going to draw an arrow to the cat shark and our notes. Okay? Let's continue to read. Some have strange looking heads and others have strange looking tails. Now, let's think about the main idea of this section. When you think about the main idea, you think of an important point that you want to make or a thought about what you read. So I'm going to jot down my notes, and I want you to think of a good main idea for this section. The main idea of this section is, like, what is the author really teaching us? Because thinking of the main idea will help us to create an excellent and a strong chapter heading. So I'll give you about a minute or two. What is the main idea of this section? Go. All right, you guys ready? So the main idea of this section is different kinds of sharks and what they look like. Right? Now, let's think of a good chapter heading. What would a good chapter heading be for this section? What do you guys think? Shark sizes, shapes, and colors. I think that's a good one. Because we know that some sharks come in different sizes, some sharks come in different shapes, and some sharks come in different colors. And that's how some scientists the researchers determine the type of shark they notice or they're trying to track by the shape, the size, and the color. Alrighty, boys and girls, this was a great session. I think that we learned so much about sharks that we could go teach the world. What do you think? Alright, well, have a good day.